What's up, guys? Finally made some time to put the final edits on this video. On the previous video that I showed you guys was part 1. It was how to remove and prep the panel before installing the actual door skin. And this is the installation of a door skin now. And what I'm grinding down here is the edge of the panel where the new panel bond adhesive is going to go. Then I was just showing you guys how this belt sander works. You know, I needed to reload, put a new belt sander in there so I can actually move along faster. The other one had worn out. Anyways, like I said, I'm just grinding down all along the edge. On my previous video, if you haven't seen it, you should go check it out. And I also brought down to bare metal the edge of the actual door shell, and now I'm bringing to bare metal the door skin. If you guys hear all those rumbles in the back and all of that, I apologize. I'm in my living room, but it's biker rally weekend where I'm living at, so there's a lot of bikers right now in town. And yeah, I live like on a main intersection, so you're probably going to hear a lot of that on this voiceover. So I apologize in advance. And now I'm just letting out some of the panel bond. You don't want to start off by applying that because it doesn't mix properly like the first few squeezes. So I just take some of it out, and then once I do that, I go ahead and apply the actual mixture that's been properly mixed in the nozzle tip here all around the door shell, the edge of the door shell. And I just do one nice clean bead all around. Sometimes I used to do zigzags and stuff, but to me it doesn't matter anymore because I'm going to go over it with my brush anyway to cover any of the exposed bare metal. So this nice thick bead here does just fine. And like I said, what I'm applying here is panel bond by 3M. Pretty good stuff. I took a picture of where it says you're supposed to panel bond the areas, but I don't know if I still have it on my phone. I'm going to see if I can put it up here. So this is the instruction sheet that 3M provides. You can actually glue a lot of stuff together. You can do roof skins, bedsides, quarter panels, door skins. And yeah, you can do all of that. And as you saw, the blue is where you can apply the glue, and the red is where you're supposed to weld. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that goes into this that sometimes I don't show fully on the videos. Like on this last one, I'm not going to show you me sealing the door, me seam sealing the door, because it's going to take way long. So on another video, if I ever do another, when I do another door skin, I'm going to do that and probably just show that. But there's a lot of stuff that goes into body work and just what needs to be done to a car. But just because you didn't see it doesn't mean I didn't do it. And now I'm just going to spread the panel bond evenly all around the edge of the door shell and also the edge of the door skin. And like I told you guys, I'm just covering the bare metal, the exposed bare metal, so I don't get any rust or anything on top of that. And then of course after that, at the end, you apply your cavity wax once you put your skin on top of the door shell. But this is another precaution we take. Once all of that was said and done, now it's time to lay the door skin on the door shell. And you got to be real careful because you don't want to get your hands all messy and filled with panel bond.
What the streets and beach.
Then I'm just making sure that I placed it properly on it and that the door shell and the door skin are actually meeting each other. And then I went ahead and clamped it with this C-clamp here to kind of put it where it was at. I'm following the little mark that it had on there. And I'm just following that and leaving it to where it's at. And now I'm just hammering my 4 corners and my 4 edges with my door skinning hammer. And what is that, like a 2x4 in the back? So whenever you hit it with the hammer blows, it won't damage the top of it. But this is pretty much it, guys. I think this is my time, and I'm going to just let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, fold the edges. And yeah, that's it. And then I just clean the panel bond, the excess panel bond that comes out from the sides. But that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I appreciate all the love that you guys give, all the support. Thank you guys for always watching, and I'll see you guys around for more.